Okay. So, I'm struggling to get up. Alright. So, I know. But, anyways, so I'm going to do a lot of more Monkey Mischief stuff from now on. So I'm going to be playing it a lot, and just recording stuff I do. So, you know, it's going to be fun. But, yeah. This is how it's going to be for a while. Because all the other games are just so, it's all just the same, you know? So yeah, I'm gonna be recording a lot more Monkey Mischief stuff. And yeah. Sorry, not Monkey Mischief. Get out of my face, now! You don't tell me what to do. Yeah, so yeah, Monkey's Place is gonna be, oh crap. So, yeah. Bye.